Today we're going to show the differences of our Tsunami Ultra-Flo hose compared to the hoses that you've probably used over the years. Most of the hoses you find in the industry, especially the painting industry, are of some type of a rubber type compound. What happens in that industry is people normally leave them in a baking booth. Not many people take your hoses out of a baking booth when you're done painting. So what happens is the hoses get hot and they bake out. And most of the hoses are made of some type of a rubber compound. So the insides of the hoses, what you don't see, you might see a nice hose from the outside, but it's the inside that's the most important part of your hose. If that bakes and it has oil in it, and it bakes out that rubber, and that rubber gets hard, as it's bent around and moves around, those rubber particles, they flake off, and that goes downstream. So if you've ever had to diagnose a problem where you've had little tiny black specks in your paint job, chances are it came from your rubber hose you're using. What we've done to engineer and correct those issues are we've designed the Tsunami hose. It's ultra lightweight. It'll lay flat when you lay it out. If you look at the inside of this coating, here's a cutaway of it. It's a clear coating, and that clear coating is a proprietary coating, and it will not absorb any liquids as far as oils, synthetic or petroleum-based oils. And it's a very, very smooth surface, so you get very, very low pressure drop going through there. One of the other things we did is not many people take advantage of this, but we do have this static line in there. And when we crimp on the ends, when we crimp on this brass fitting on both ends of the hose, as long as your air system is grounded, properly grounded, we can help dissipate that electric static shock that you might get. Maybe if you're sanding on fiberglass, maybe like a boat or some type of fiberglass panels on cars. You don't have to take this out of your booth when you're done painting because the hose is engineered to withstand 212 degrees as a baking temperature, and you never get that high baking, so you don't have to worry about it degrading like you would normal rubber type hose products.